The vast majority of workplaces are not either all bad or all good, right? Typically, they're kind of somewhere in the middle. They're kind of average, they're okay, or as my children would say, they're nah.
And I remember walking out of the meeting room along the platform and seeing the purpose, mission, and values in huge letters and thinking they were maybe trying to tell me something. And I know, in fact, that's the reason we have such statements, so that the organization, a large organization like ours, people can row together. They're not rowing in different directions.
People often mistake perks for culture. Perks are not culture. Perks are perks. Culture is what people do. It's what you see, what you hear, what you feel. It is behaviors that are observable.
And we've had too many people say to us, I don't really like where I work. I can't face another day going into my office. And we think that is a shame and entirely preventable. We want to fix that because we envision a time when everybody can say, I like where I work.